Are you ready to tap into the energy of good luck and manifest a life with fortunate events and opportunities? What if just 15 minutes could set you on the path to attract all the luck you desire? Well, in today's guided meditation, I'm going to take you through a process that aligns your mind and your energy with the law of attraction to bring more luck into your life. This meditation will help you to become a magnet for positive experiences and opportunities and the good fortune that you seek. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction and the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app. And I'm here to help you tap into the power of your mind, align yourself with the manifesting conditions, and successfully attract your dreams, your goals, and a life you love. Now, today we're going to go into a special 15-minute guided meditation, which is designed to help you manifest good luck using the law of attraction. So get ready. Get ready to align your energy and attract all the positive experiences you desire. Now, before we get started, I am just really curious. What is one specific area in your life where you are looking to attract more luck? Go ahead and drop a comment below and let's go ahead and set that intention together. All right, so let's get started. Find a comfortable position, either sitting down or lying down, and gently close your eyes. That's right. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or stress. Take another deep breath in, allowing yourself to feel calm and relaxed as you exhale. With each breath, you go deeper and deeper into a state of calm, deeper into a place of peace. Now imagine in front of you a beautiful glowing light shining with a color that feels lucky to you. It could be a bright gold, a soothing green, or a deep blue, or whatever color feels like it is filled with good energy and fortune. Let this light represent your own personal power to manifest good luck and attract positive experiences into your life. Focus on this glowing light and see it gently swirling with symbols of luck and abundance. Perhaps a 4-leaf clover, a star, a heart, or any object that feels lucky to you. Feel its energy growing stronger and stronger. Feel its light, see it shining brighter and brighter with every breath you take. This light is filled with all the potential of good things to come to you, waiting to be drawn into your life. As you breathe in, imagine this light moving closer to you, becoming warmer, more vibrant, filled with a magnetic energy. Feel its warmth on your skin, its gentle energy touching your mind, inviting you to connect with its power. Know that this light is here to help you manifest good luck using the law of attraction. Now visualize yourself reaching out with your hands, feeling the warmth and energy of this light. Imagine holding it in your palms, feeling its gentle vibrations, sensing its power. Slowly bring this glowing light closer to your heart, feeling its energy growing stronger, more intense. As it gets closer to your heart center, as this light touches your chest, imagine it dissolving into you, spreading throughout your entire being. Feel this light moving through every cell, every muscle, every part of you, filling you with a sense of possibility and good fortune. Feel this light flow through you like a gentle river of positive energy, carrying with it the vibration of luck and abundance. Now, let's set your intention to manifest good luck using the law of attraction. As you breathe in deeply, say to yourself, I am open to receiving all the good luck and fortune that the universe has in store for me. That's right. Feel these words resonate within you, connecting you with the energy of the light, aligning your mind with your intention. With each breath, feel this intention becoming stronger. Visualize the areas in your life where you want to invite more good luck. Maybe it's your relationships or your career, your health, or your personal growth. See these areas in your mind's eye, bathed in this glowing light, filled with positive energy and potential. As you focus on these areas, imagine the light expanding even further, creating a protective bubble of luck and good energy all around you. This bubble is like a magnet, drawing in opportunities and positive experiences. and unexpected blessings. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more open, more receptive to all the good that is flowing to you. Now imagine yourself moving through your daily life with this energy. See yourself making decisions, taking actions, feeling guided by this glowing, lucky light. Notice how these things seem to flow more smoothly, how you feel more confident, more in tune with the world around you, knowing that luck is on your side. Picture yourself noticing signs from the universe, small synchronicities, unexpected opportunities, moments of serendipity. Feel how these signs make you feel, how they encourage you, how they confirm that you are on the right path. Trust that each one of these moments is a sign of luck and fortune you are manifesting. Feel the energy of this light aligning with every step you take, every choice you make. Imagine yourself taking practical actions that align with your intention to attract good luck. See yourself smiling at others, feeling connected, taking new opportunities, and seeing them turn into fortunate outcomes. Know that as you carry this light within you, you are aligning with the law of attraction, drawing more and more luck into your life. You are a magnet for positive experiences, and everything you desire is flowing to you effortlessly. Take a moment now to simply enjoy this feeling of being in the flow, of being aligned with the universe, of knowing that you are always in the right place at the right time, and that good luck is always on your side. Good. Allow yourself to feel deep gratitude for this energy, for this light that now lives within you. Feel thankful for the good luck and fortune that is already on its way to you, knowing that it is already yours. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you. Take a deep breath in feeling this lucky energy still within you. And as you slowly exhale, know that you carry this power with you. You are ready to manifest more good luck in every part of your life. Gently open your eyes when you're ready, feeling refreshed, feeling energized, and confident that you are a powerful attractor of good luck and fortune. Welcome back. How did this meditation make you feel? Go ahead and share your experience in the comments below. I would love to hear how you are going to use this practice to attract more good luck into your life. If you enjoyed this meditation and you found it helpful, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that you never miss out on my meditations and techniques. Also, don't forget to check out the Believe Hypnosis app. I'm going to put this meditation right in that app and many other meditations, affirmations, and exercises, all designed to help you to maintain a high vibration, attract good fortune every day. So remember, manifesting good luck is all about aligning your energy and setting clear intentions with the universe. The more you practice this meditation, the more you're going to notice the luck and positive opportunities that are flowing into your life. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep manifesting your greatness, and I will see you in the next video.